How to fix Microsoft Teams white screen on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Microsoft Teams white screen on Android phone. First open settings and here scroll down until you find apps, and now click apps again and here type Teams and click on it and then click force stop, and now go to storage and clear cache. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now you will need to clear data, but after that you need to log into all your accounts again to your account email, and then just go back and try again. And if that also doesn't fix your problem, now all you need to do, go to Play Store and make sure Microsoft Teams is updated, and then restart your phone. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.